Holiday lights in Vegas look magical until you're stuck in the strip traffic, $25 parking, and 90-minute lines. So we're skipping the strip and hitting 3 events that many locals go to each December. I'm going to show you exactly where to park, when to go, what to skip, and the 45-minute hack that saves you sanity at glittering lights. First up, the free parade with small town Christmas magic.
Here's what locals know about downtown Summerlin's holiday parade that tourists don't. It's got that cozy small town vibe right here in the desert. First, the good news is it's completely free. $0 to get in, and parking, that's free too, if you know where to look. Here's your parking strategy. Skip those central garages everyone else is fighting over. Hit the surface lots on the west side instead. Sure, you'll walk an extra 2 minutes, but you'll skip that brutal 20-minute exit crawl when it's over. Trust me, scout your escape route before the parade starts. For the best viewing spots, locals camp out near Macy's for those clean sightlines. Whatever you do, avoid that central crosswalk area. It's stroller traffic chaos and you won't see anything. For a timing hack, arrive 45 to 60 minutes early if you want those prime curved seats. Running late? Walk 2 blocks away from the main crowd cluster. You'll still get a great view. What you're in for is 35 to 45 minutes of floats, marching bands, balloon characters, and cheerful holiday chaos. And here's how to exit like a local. Don't fight over the central lawn crowd, head to the edges and slip out easy. Look, the first time I experienced this parade, I thought that it was a bit cheesy. But then the performers started waving to kids, fake snow began falling, and everyone just got swept up in the spirit. It's pure Vegas magic without the Vegas price tag. So grab your spot, bring some hot chocolate, and get ready for one of the Valley's best kept holiday secrets. Forget the crowded strip chaos. Tivoli Village is where you go for that sophisticated holiday moment that actually gives you chills. European-style plaza, cobblestones under your feet, warm lighting everywhere, and a real countdown that builds genuine anticipation.
All right, so they have a night market here during the tree lighting ceremony, so we're gonna take you through, have you check it out, see what you think.
To correct you, not just during this tree lighting ceremony, it's all through the month of December.
Nice.
And the cost? $0. It's a free ceremony. Food vendors will cost you, but honestly, the ambiance is worth every penny. Now, when everyone hits the main garage first, don't be everyone. Target those outer surface lots near the side street exits. You'll thank me when you're cruising out while others are still stuck in traffic. Stand opposite the wind direction.
So we picked up a couple gnomes, and this place is pretty packed. There's a lot of great vendors here.
I would even hazard to say that this is better than like the bigger craft shows we've gone to vendor-wise.
Yeah, definitely.
When that magical snowfall effect kicks in, those flakes will drift towards you instead of away. Better photos, better experience. Grab those second-level railings for height and clean camera angles.
The tree's really pretty.
It is really pretty. I can't wait to see it lit up.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Ground level, skip the center back. You'll be staring at heads. Hit the food vendors before the ceremony starts. Those lines explode right after the countdown when everyone's hyped up and hungry. For a photography hack, switch to night mode. Lock your exposure on that tree and wait for the brightest pulse, then shoot steady clips. Desert nights drop fast, so bring extra layers. This is a perfect date night or a calmer family evening that doesn't involve fighting strip crowds. Here's the moment. Countdown hits 0, crowd hushes, kids start counting down, then boom! The tree explodes into color with snowfall drifting down around you. Quick, intimate, and absolutely magical. Glittering lights is the Vegas holiday drive that you need to know about. Here's the 45-minute hack locals use. Ditch your car and take the Santa Tram instead. Why is it genius? Well, you park once, you have 0 stress driving, and you actually get to look up at the lights instead of watching traffic. No windshield glare ruining your view. Santa Tram runs $25 per person. Drive-through is $39 per car, or you pay $64 for a fast pass to skip the line. A family of 4, perhaps drive. A couple wanting 0 hassle, the tram wins every time. Now, you want to book online in advance, gives you fast pass options if driving. Show up 20 minutes early either way. Fight for those exterior seats on the tram. Way better angles when you hit those epic light tunnels. Here's a pro tip for you. Those light tunnels are the money shot. Hold your phone steady for the hyperspeed effect. Grab your clips, then put it down and actually enjoy the moment. For comfort, bring a small blanket, some gloves, a beanie. Grab some hot cocoa before you board, but finish it first. Trust me. This is literally the only time Vegas traffic moves too fast for what you want. Now, as far as some bonus events in town, Ethel M has the beautiful walkthrough. Hit it in the final hour for easy parking. Sam's Town's laser show works best early evening. And Chance got Instagram-worthy ice skating, but heads up, costs add up quick. The bottom line, pick a spectacle for photos, community for connection, and convenience for easy access.
You just learned exactly where to park, when to go, and what to skip for some great holiday local events. Hit like and subscribe for our full holiday itinerary, and be sure to join our free community Vegas Buzz. Link is in the description.